Okay, recording is start. Hello, hi everyone. Jai Mata Di. This is Praneet Mehta, Director GMD Academy. आप लोगों के सामने and today I've got two special guests. One is our ex-student Manan Sharma, who was placed in fleet management, did his training from ARI Delhi, and one very special guest. I would say guest today, but I would say guest of honor because he was our first batch student. His name is Muhammad Abdullah. Abdul, I want to see your face right now. Okay, his name is Abdullah, and he was, yeah, he's the guy over here, which you can see over here. He is Abdullah, and he was our first batch student, which consisted of 6 students. Amongst them, Abdul was one. He studied at Hilton School, Dehradun, came to us, got into Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy, has already done his 3 ships as a deck cadet. Presently, he is preparing for his second mates exams, and there is a lot to know and lot to learn from him. So guys, सबसे पहले, hi Abdul, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm good. How are you?
I am fine, Abdul. तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है भाई, पहले पेज पे लाना पड़ेगा या तुम्हें दूसरे पेज पे. Let me see. Okay. So hi Abdul, how is life going? ये बताओ भाई, क्या चल रहा है आजकल लाइफ में?
Sir, life's good. अभी मेरा second mates, I'm doing my second mates course from Delhi, but it's online, so घर से ही हो रहा है, sir.
Okay. Abdul यार यहाँ पर सी, Abdul एक चीज पूछनी चाहिए मुझे. I still remember that day when you had come to us and you were like कि सर मैं सोच रहा हूँ थोड़ा वेट कर लूँ एग्जाम देने के लिए, ड्रॉप ले लूँ और तब एंग्लो का एग्जाम दूं और IMUCT की तैयारी करके दूं. याद आ रहा है कुछ?
Yes, sir. I came to you. I was totally confused. I had no idea what to do. I think in 2017, I cleared my 12th, and I was searching what to do, but then I came to you.
और मैं तुमसे पहली बार कहाँ मिला था अब्दुल? Where did I meet you for the first time?
I saw you at English tuition. I go to
बेनिटा श्रीवास्तव मैम की क्लास में.
Yeah,
बेनिटा
yes, sir.
श्रीवास्तव मैम. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, for all those who don't know, this starting with JMDI Academy has been a roller coaster ride for us. हम लोग पहले schools में जाते थे सेमिनार करने के लिए, and then it was covering all the schools become very difficult. So we started going to tuitions as well. Over here, there is one such guy called Vaibhav Singh. He met me in a school, St. Jude School, where I was conducting one such seminar. And another is Abdul Haq, जहाँ पर we used to go to tuitions and we used to conduct seminars there as well. So Abdul got to know there and he came to us. And Abdul, he's a very reserved guy, guys. Those who don't know, I would love to tell you, he's a very reserved, a very disciplined, very good guy. But when he came to us, he said, सर अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है सर मुझे बहुत प्रिपरेशन करनी है सर, मुझे टाइम लगेगा ये वो. मैंने बोला भाई, why are you trying to waste your 6 months? That is a big important time of your life. And Abdul, अभी तो 6 months की वैल्यू पता होगी तुम्हें. 6 months decadeship.
हाँ सर, it's too much 6 months. अभी काफी चेंज हो जाता है in 6 months.
The complete scenario changes. Okay, and the second guest that I have got over is Manan Sharma. Guys, he is not just a student of mine, but we share a lot of common things. Or how would I say, he's also got a scholarship. कहाँ से मिली थी Manan? From where did you get the scholarship?
Sir, I got the scholarship from Mariners Association.
Mariners Association Dehradun gave him a scholarship because he had passed the test. And कितने रुपीस की scholarship मिली थी Manan?
It was of 30,000.
30,000. Okay, 30,000 scholarship वहां से मिली थी. And Manan ने पहला इंटरव्यू दिया था fleet management का through ARI Delhi and he was selected over there. And then I told Manan, full stop. बस जय माता दी. Guys, I assure you, like Mayank Semwal, who was over here with the last batch, Manan had also got all the credibilities कि ये जिस भी कंपनी के लिए बैठता, I was rest assured that he would have got selected. Manan, what was your class 12 percentage?
Sir, class 12th percentage.
Yes.
Yeah, 91 sir.
91. तो अच्छा स्टूडेंट था, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी अच्छे हैं और डांस भी करता है. He's got good personality as well, as you can see. और अभी right now he is a first class worker with COVID and COVID people. क्या कर रहे हो Manan? What are you doing these days?
Sir, we are providing all possible aids to the COVID patients. Like we are providing cylinders who are not getting cylinders, and they are facing so much difficulties in getting those cylinders. And we are providing it free of cost. And sir, we are providing free ration kit, dry ration, cooked food, as well as medical kits. and many more things, sir.
So Manan, I want to know one thing. In these days, when my wife tells me, don't go out of the house, don't go out of the house, how come you had so much energy and so much willpower that you are going to go there and support those people who really need you? What motivated you?
Sir, when you get a call from a patient family and they literally cry on call, na sir, then वो सर एक पिंच करता है, वो एक मतलब मोटिवेट करता है कि हाँ जाना चाहिए इस टाइम पे, बाहर जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ग्राउंड लेवल की जो सिचुएशन है डेट इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. वो बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल थी. एंड अब तो देहरादून में बहुत ज्यादा स्टेबल हो गया है, बट 1 month ago बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन.
So guys out here, before we start with this session, I want each and every one of us to give a good round of applause to Manan Sharma out here, because he is doing a fabulous job. Guys, this is very, very important. Everyone, each one. It is not easy, guys. It is not easy. Trust me, it is not easy. And I want each and every one of you to go ahead with this thing. I know, Tushar, you have got a question. Abdul has got. Abdul, yes, you have raised your hand. अब्दुल बोल रहा है कहां से गलती से रेज हो गया.
अरे no sir, I just clapped.
Okay, you just clapped. ठीक है. Okay, got it. Now guys, let's start with what is this session all about. See, we are trying to get all our ex-students out here to interact with you guys so that you can get an insight about their life. The best version is Abdullah, who has done not just done one ship, the 3 ships has decaded. So this is the best way to ask him. Juice nikalo, pucho isse. He is a part of our family, GMDI family. That's what we call GMDites. ठीक है. So now who's got the question? तुषार सिंह. तुषार, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन किसके लिए है?
अब्दुल सर के लिए.
Okay, Tushar, what's your question for Abdul? Abdul, brace yourself up.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, how was your experience on the first ship? Like, what were the duties you did there, and how was actually the environment for you? Were the seniors good, or were they kind of tough for you?
Actually, my first experience on ship was bit of low and high. So people were good on board the ship. Like engine crew supported me, and not me. Like I was a cadet, so the chief engineer, second engineer, then the deck guys, they all supported me. They all told me what to do, what not to do. If I had any doubts, तो मैं किसी से भी जाके कुछ भी पूछ सकता था. ऐसा नहीं था कि someone used to tell me that you don't know this, you don't know this. तो फर्स्ट शिप पे जाके डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. व्हेन यू गो ऑन द शिप, यू आर न्यू टू द एनवायरनमेंट. आपको कुछ नहीं पता होता, तो बेटर इज दैट कि कुछ गलत करने से बेटर ये है दैट यू आस्क योर सीनियर्स और योर जूनियर, तुम्हारे साथ का कोई कैडेट है उससे बात करो. तो यू हैव टू टेक द एक्सपीरियंस ऑन योर फर्स्ट शिप, तो वही तुम्हारे काम आएगा. एंड माय चीफ ऑफिसर वाज गुड ऑन माय फर्स्ट शिप. He used to teach me also and scold me also on yeah, क्या होता था, sometimes he used to give me some assignments. Like he मतलब बेवजह वो नहीं डांटते थे. Like he will give me some assignment, I will not do it, obviously he will scold me. So it's better you, whatever work is given to you, just do your job. And you asked a question, what was my work on my first ship. तो जहाज पे जाके बेसिकली क्या रहता है, जो नॉर्मल पीपल होते हैं वो सोचते हैं कि कैडेट जाता है तो झाड़ू पोछा और वो मतलब यू हैव टू क्लीन द टॉयलेट्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऐसा नहीं होता. दिस इज नॉट व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन शिप. ओके, सो व्हेन यू गो फर्स्ट डे ऑन शिप, फर्स्ट डे व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल फैमिलियराइज यू. आपको सब बताएंगे.
विशाल कीप योर ऑडियो ऑफ. विशाल, ओके, सॉरी अब्दुल, सॉरी.
Okay, sir. So you will meet your chief officer. Chief officer will tell you that what all expectation do you have from you, कि वो तुमसे क्या क्या चाहते हैं, क्या क्या नहीं चाहते हैं as a deck cadet, what you have to do, whose order you have to follow. So chief officer is the main guy when you join your ship. So you just have to follow your chief officer. Like he is not our enemy. If he is harsh also, if he is harsh, he just want us to teach us in some other way. So as a first ship was good, my ship was good, captain was good, everyone was good. And you can ask me some specific question if you have some doubt.
Okay, can I ask one question? Anyone who wants to ask, please raise your hands, otherwise I will ask, because I have a lot of questions. Okay, no one is raising hands. Anyone who wants to ask anything to Abdul? Okay, I've got one person, and who is that?
Vaibhav.
Weber. Yes, Weber, please go ahead. Ask your question.
Sir, what were the real-time challenges that you faced on board when you were sailing for the first time? I mean, some says that seasickness is there. Some says that uh, coping up with rolling is a lot difficult. So, what were the actual challenges?
I have done 3 ships till now, and I didn't like. I have been to very tough weathers, but I never felt anything like in the rolling or anything. I never felt anything. It was like normal, like you are on a seesaw. So it's not like that. You will not feel any seasickness or something. But if you feel any seasickness, then they have medicines on board. They will give you medicine. Then you can feel okay. And this is rolling is not always. It will be just only for 1 or 2 days. So no need to worry about the seasickness or anything.
Okay, so apart from this, they say that you have to acclimatize to different time zones. So, what was that? I mean, you have to travel from one place to another. That means that time zone is really going to differ. So, what is a matter of, was it a matter of concern? I mean, to acclimatize to different time zones and lack of sleep, sometimes they say.
I would say no. You can easily like ये जो time zone होता है, so no need to worry. I know what you are thinking, that when you go from from India, you go somewhere, then there is a difference of 5 hours, 6 hours, or maybe 12 hours difference. So they will retard or advance the clock by 12 hours. It don't happen like that. It will happen in stages. Like in 2 days you will go 1 hour, then 2 more days you go 1 hour, 2 more days you go 1 hour, and the this 1 hour is also compensated. Okay, so like third officer, second officer, chief officer have their watches, so they will reduce or they will increase, like they will increase or decrease their work hour by only 20 minutes. So basically this time zone is only affecting your work by 20 minutes, so no need to worry. Okay.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay, anybody else who's got a question? Anybody else, guys? Okay. Abdul, I want to ask you one question. Okay, Prashant, I will let me ask one question. Prashant, Abdul, you told me that you had a chief officer who used to scold you when you did not do the assignments. Now, my question is, Abdul, I have known you. I know that you're a disciplined guy, and when I've seen you, rather, I would say that we have grown up together. Me as an entrepreneur, you as a guy who is uh, working in merchant navy. So I really do. I have never seen you not doing your homework. What went on ship that you were not doing your assignments? बताओ भाई. Complicated question.
No sir, can you give me 1 minute? वो पीछे थोड़ा background noise है, so just 1 minute.
No problems. No problems, Abdul. No problems. No
I can
problems.
talk like this also if it's
हाँ हाँ
not
प्लीज गो
bothering
अहेड
you.
यार. अल्लाह का नाम है, बिल्कुल बताओ.
Okay. What was the question? My
Question.
first chief officer.
Yeah, my
Yes, sir.
question was कि he used to scold you saying कि भैया तुम अपने assignment नहीं करते, you don't do your assignments on time. My question is, I have known you, Abdul, and I know that you are a disciplined guy. Then how come you were not doing your assignments on time?
What used to happen was that was my first ship, and the most important thing was time management. So initially in 1 or 2 months, I was not able to do a proper time management. Like I used to go 4 o'clock on bridge, then until 12 o'clock, breaks included, I used to work. Then 12 to 4, I had rest. So rest, I took rest. Like I didn't bother to study or anything. So that was the main cause why my study was lagging. But then I concerned my second officer, third officer. They told me that main thing is the time management. You have to manage your own time. So like, and then I used my chief officer used to give me time on bridge also. When I had bridge duties, then he allowed me to study on the bridge as well as keep the watch. So main thing was time management for me. Then I starting managing my time, like afternoon I will do lunch, then 1 hour or 2 hours, at least 2 hours I will I will study. Then I took a little bit nap, then go to bridge. Then I managed like this.
So your routines were
So main
from,
thing is the time management.
so your routine was from 4 to 12 and then again 4 to 8, right? Approximately something like this, including
Yes, sir.
breaks.
But yeah, 4 to 12 means 2 hours of break from 4 to 12, in between 2 hours break, which is divided in some parts. So then, yeah, yes, sir. Then 4 to 8 in the night, evening also.
In the evening also. Okay, got it. So basically, whenever you get little bit of time, you have to study, you have to manage. But yeah, Abhi Ishika has got a question. Okay, Ishika, yes, please ask your question, beta.
Bhaiya, you did 3 shifts. How was your experience?
On 3 shifts combined. Abdul, कभी कभी तो दिक्कत आई होगी, कभी कभी तो लगा होगा कहाँ फंस गया हूँ, where am I stuck?
When I was on my first shift, I felt like I am stuck there because क्योंकि I later on realized my first shift was bulk carrier, then I shifted to tankers, oil tankers on my second shift, and then third shift also a sister ship of same ship. So I did 2 shifts same. So then I realized on my second shift that I like this, like the tanker life I like better. So मुझे तब रियलाइज हुआ दैट आई वाज लाइक जब मैं पहला शिफ्ट खत्म हुआ तो तब मुझे नहीं लगा दैट आई वाज स्टक देयर, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, आई फेल्ट इट नॉर्मल. ओके, so but when I went to my second shift and third shift, there was environment was different, operations was different, everything was different. So it's just the way which the ship operates. मतलब bulk carrier होता है, they have separate work routine, and tankers like are same होते हैं but काम अलग होता है. So you work on tanker, you have different job. You work on bulk carrier, different job, different ports, and everything is different. So like the main difference come in your lifestyle. So your lifestyle change on tanker, it change on bulk carrier. So then I realized I didn't like the bulk carrier life. तो ऐसा मतलब मुझे नहीं लगा फर्स्ट शिप पे कि मैं स्टक हूँ, बट लेटर ऑन आई रियलाइज दैट आई लाइक टैंकर वर्क बेटर. सो यही मेन रीजन था, मुझे लगा कि मैं उधर स्टक था एंड आई शिफ्टेड टू
अच्छा अब्दुल,
टैंकर्स.
अब्दुल तीनों शिफ्ट में सबसे ज्यादा डांट किस शिप पे पड़ी? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
माय फर्स्ट शिप पे सबसे ज्यादा डांट पड़ी सर.
और सबसे कम शिप, और सबसे कम डांट किस शिप पे पड़ी?
लास्ट शिप सर.
सो गाइस एक चीज
मजा
जानिए. हाँ इशिका बोल रही, इशिका बोलो बेटा वापस.
मजा किस पे आया?
हाँ मजा किस पे आया बताओ तुम.
मजा एक्चुअली जैसे सर ने बोला मैं थोड़ा रिजर्व्ड हूँ. तो जो मेरा पहला शिप था, तो एवरी सेकेंड वीक वी यूज्ड टू गो ऑन शोर लीव ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आई वाज डूइंग ऑस्ट्रेलिया कोस्टिंग, एवरी सेकेंड वीक वी हैड शोर लीव. तो मुझे कोई ऐसा इंटरेस्ट तो है नहीं घूमने फिरने में. तो आई लाइक टैंकर्स. You go on tankers like maybe in 2 months or 3 months you will go on a maybe shore leave you will get or you will not get.
सेम
On my
सेम
second ship, yeah, so I don't like shore leaves, so that's why. तो टैंकर पे मुझे ज्यादा मजा आया. यू लॉन्ग सेलिंग, लंबा लंबा सेलिंग है, आप आराम से अपना काम करो, आराम से प्रोजेक्ट्स करो. मतलब टैंकर लाइफ इज वेरी नाइस. सो यू गेट लॉन्ग सेलिंग्स. आई थिंक टैंकर इज बेटर.
Now Abdul has got his own version, you will have your own because each and every person is different. I also like tankers because to be very honest I like the environment on tankers because वहां पर मुझे भी लगता है, मुझे भी ज्यादा बाहर जाने का शौक नहीं है to be very honest. ये तो अब मैंने थोड़ी फोटोज खिंचवानी शुरू करी है इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑल के लिए, अदरवाइज पहले तो कुछ था ही नहीं. सो मैं भी टैंकर्स पे ज्यादा खुशी महसूस करता हूँ. आई एम कंफर्टेबल देयर, बट देयर मेनी पीपल, बट द बेस्ट डेज ऑफ माय लाइफ, सेलिंग लाइफ, आई हैव स्पेंट ऑन बल्कीज. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, जहां पर मेरा एक बल्क कैरियर 7 days के लिए टोरंटो में खड़ा है, आई एम गोइंग टू नायग्रा फॉल्स एंड आई एम गोइंग टू माय रिलेटिव्स हाउस इन टोरंटो फॉर 2 days एंड दैट वाज लाइक अनइमेजिनेबल. मैंने अपने रिलेटिव्स को शिप पे बुलाया था वन डे एंड दे हैड, अब नाउ दे आर इंडियंस, बट वहां पर वो खाना बहुत अलग तरीका का रहता है यार. वो लोग पैक्ड फूड्स खाते हैं बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज बिजी आउट देयर. सो व्हेन दे गॉट टू हैव दैट चीफ कुक का बना हुआ फ्रेश तंदूरी चिकन और साथ में कढ़ाई पनीर एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दे वर लाइक फैसिनेटेड. फिर मैं उनको इंजन उनका राउंड एंड ऑल दोस के लिए लेके गए, जस्ट शेयरिंग अ स्टोरी विद यू. तो अब्दुल, अच्छा अभी प्रशांत अभी इशिका जस्ट वेट बेटा, आई विल गेट योर क्वेश्चन अगेन. प्रशांत, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन फॉर अब्दुल?
सर गुड आफ्टरनून सर. जय माता दी.
जय माता दी. जय माता दी. बताओ
सर first of all sir I want to say it is a pleasure to present here in front of seller and upcoming seller sir.
क्या बात है.
And sir My question is from Abdul sir. That is, sir, when you get depressed or sad in ship, on board ship, then how will you do motivate yourself? Because we are far from the family. So what did you do on board ship that it's provide you the
प्रांशु उठ
motivate
के
in
बैठ जा,
your
उठ के बैठ जा, वीडियो तेरा ऑन है, तू समझ रहा है बात को? और अब तू रगड़म पट्टी में आएगा ये वीडियो में, रिकॉर्डिंग में. Now guys, this is something which I
Sorry,
hate in
sir.
online classes. This is for each and every, and this will go on YouTube, guys. This will go on YouTube. Now the guy right now over here, you can see this. क्या बोलूं मैं? Now guys, please understand, when we talk in as academy out here, we feel immense pressure to give results. When we were taking offline classes, it was easier for us to see what you're doing. It becomes damn difficult for us as teachers, as guides, as mentors to teach you, to guide you so that you get good results. Now, out here, it is difficult for a teacher to know what a student is going. Now, in a video, if we are keeping your videos off and you know, someone like Pranchu is going down, Jai Mata Di, le beta niche chale gaye, यूं करके, ऐसे करके, लेट गए, अरे चल रहा है. Now, guys, this is lack of sincerity. This is lack of sincerity, and this is not just Pranchu, this is everyone, each one of us. अब्दुल, कभी जब तुम ऑनलाइन क्लास है तो कभी दिल करता है ऐसे करके नीचे लेट जाओ जाके, बस हो जाए, बस अभी सोया होता है? नहीं सर, अब्दुल यहाँ पर अच्छा बनने को ओके नहीं होता है. Guys, what I want to see is अगर होता है तो please restrain yourself, because this is your career at stake, not ours. Please remember that. चलो, anyways, so sorry प्रशांत, you continue. I'm so sorry, मुझे गुस्सा आ गया बीच में. हाँ प्रशांत.
no problem, sir. Sir, my question is from Abdul sir. That is, when you get depressed or sad on board ship, because we are all in far from home, and sir, how do you motivate on board ship that we should be a very happiness on board ship, sir?
Okay. So first of all, I never got depressed or some like I missed my family or missed someone on board when I was on ship. But if something happens to you like this, तो sometimes मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता था, like you feel like that मतलब आता है कि मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है, what is this going on, ऐसे करके कभी कभी फीलिंग आता है. So मेरा क्या था, like I used to work with chief officer, but उनके मतलब रैंक में उनसे नीचे there was second officer, third officer. So third officer was almost of my age, so he was like we were good, like
A good buddy, a
like
buddy
in
system.
Anglo, yeah, like in Anglo-Eastern we have a buddy system. So like we were buddies, so we were just like friends. My third officer, my second officer, my second engineer, chief engineer, then third engineer, fourth engineer, engine side, all everyone was open. So I had any problem, they used to, like when I go for breakfast, my chief engineer used to came, then every day he asked me everything is good, ऐसे ऐसे मतलब कैसा चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. तो they used to come, they used to interact with me. Like आफ्टरनून में जब मैं काम करता था तो थर्ड ऑफिसर यूज्ड टू कॉल मी, लाइक चीफ ऑफिसर मुझे उनके साथ भेजते थे, तो आई यूज्ड टू गो विद हिम, आई यूज्ड टू वर्क विद हिम, हम काम करते थे, थोड़ा बात करते थे. सो लाइक दिस यू शेयर योर इमोशंस, लाइक यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, लाइक तुम्हें डांट खाया, तुमने किसी से डांट खाया, तो यू फील इनसाइड लाइक ऐसे कैसे मुझे डांट दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. So you just go talk to someone else. Like चुगली नहीं करना है, चुगली नहीं करना है. You just have to talk your emotions out. Like if you feel like your third officer, you feel compatible with him, so you just go to him, you show him your emotions. के emotions मतलब तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everyone is supporting there. My captain was good, so कैप्टन यूज्ड टू आस्क मी कि तुम्हें कोई बुली तो नहीं कर रहा है, ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, वैसे नहीं हो रहा है, यू टेल मी दिस दैट. So it's a very supportive system in my Anglo-Eastern. Like I know about Anglo-Eastern, it's very supportive system, everyone supports you. So but on my last shift what happened was, there was one OS and his father died, so no one knew. In the evening I was keeping watch with chief officer, then that OS, he was sitting outside his cabin and he was just crying, and no one knew what happened. Then one other guy, he saw him, he didn't go to the OS, he directly came to the bridge. So he informed that this guy is there, he's crying, something may have happened. So they are supporting, they are not poking you. Like he's crying, so he will not poke, what happened. So he went to the captain, then he told him that this guy is happening this. then the captain himself, he went to him because he may be depressed or something bad had happened. So captain अपने आप गए उसके पास, उसको मतलब पूछा क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ. So पूरा there is a full supporting system. Like अगर depression भी होता है, there are guidelines for depression also on board. So ऐसे डरने वाला कोई बात नहीं है depression में, वैसे होता नहीं है.
ओके चलो मैं इसको बहुत सिंपल वे में रखता हूँ गाइस कि ये अभी आज के डेट में डिप्रेशन इज अ वेरी वेरी हॉट टॉपिक, वेरी वेरी हॉट टॉपिक. एंड यू ऑल गाइस नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि अभी जो प्रणीत मेहता सर यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, इज गिविंग बिग 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 लेक्चर्स गोइंग ऑन यूट्यूब एंड ओवर हियर एंड ओवर देयर. सी अभी if you ask me on my last shift, my performance was not good and even I was in a bad state of mind. Things were not going very good at home side as well. तो वहां से कुछ चीजें चल रही थी एंड मेरी जहाज भी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं चल रही थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ड्यू टू विच सडनली आई वाज फीलिंग यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. व्हेन वंस दोस नेगेटिव थॉट्स स्टार्ट कमिंग इन, योर डाउनफॉल स्टार्ट्स. सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज, अब एज अ चीफ इंजीनियर इफ आई गो एंड टेल सेकंड साहब मैं तो परेशान हूँ, ओ डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. सो एज अ चीफ इंजीनियर आई हैव माय बडी लाइक कैप्टन. तो मैं डेली कैप्टन साहब के पास चला जाता, कैप्टन साहब यार ये चल रहा है, यार ये प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, ये चीज चल रही है, इसको ठीक करना है यार, काम पे फोकस नहीं हो रहा है यार, ये चीज अच्छी नहीं है. एंड नाउ जिसके आप डिप्रेशन कहते हो गाइस, जिसको आप डिप्रेशन कहते हो, आई सी इज इट एज समटाइम्स लैक ऑफ फोकस. इफ यू कीप योरसेल्फ बिजी, इफ यू कीप योरसेल्फ बिजी, ये कभी किसी वर्कर को देखा है जो दिन में 16 घंटे काम करता है, उसे कभी डिप्रेशन से डिप्रेशन पता भी नहीं होगा क्या होता है, क्योंकि वो 16 घंटे काम कर उसके 8 घंटे दबा के नींद लेता है और फिर 16 घंटे काम करने चला जाता है. यू गाइस रियलाइज दैट. So this depression is just a state of mind and anybody can conquer it. You just have to come out of it, and it is not an easy task. Just one thing is there, just keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy with whatever you are doing. No negative काम. फिर एक दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार कुछ बहुत खराब हो रहा है. प्रणीत मेहता तू लोगों को बोल रहा है, हाउ कैन यू सेट एन एग्जांपल फॉर अदर्स व्हेन यू योरसेल्फ आर लाइक गोइंग डाउन द हिल लाइक दिस. एंड देन आई सेड नहीं यार प्रणीत मेहता, यू विल हैव टू गिव your best shot now. So that was the day I worked for the next 7 days, 8 days. I worked like anything on board ship. Everybody thought, अरे यार ये बड़ा साहब है, बताओ ये काम कर रहे हैं, काम करो. क्योंकि at one point of time when you are a troubleshooter or something like that, हाथ से काम बहुत कम करता हूँ ना मैं. So but suddenly I was working, but those 8 days helped me like anything, because suddenly all those negative thoughts had gone apart. I told him कि भाई मेरे को घर पे जो भी चल रहा है, I will not be able to be of any help. Don't tell me. Sort out the issue, then tell me. You guys are getting a point, and that is where we need support. And I've realized one thing कि आदमी शिप पे कमजोर नहीं पड़ता, घर से कमजोर पड़ता है. One thing, अभी हमने बोला कि हम परेशान हैं, and suddenly your parents tell you, बेटा तू घर आ जा, तू घर आ जा, बेटा तू घर आ जा, and suddenly आप बोलो मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है. Oh, it does not work that way, because there are going to be good times on board ship and there are going to be bad times. At your bad times, your parents need to tell you, अरे बेटा कोई बात नहीं, बुरा वक्त आया तो अच्छा वक्त भी आएगा. Right, Abdul?
Yes sir, totally correct.
Thank you. Ishika, what's your question?
भाई आपने 3 शिफ्ट अब तक कर ली, आपको ये करने के लिए क्या मोटिवेट किया?
My motivation was that के सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी करना है, like
क्यों?
Praneet sir is doing this.
और बेटा एक ही मोटिवेशन है इशिका आपकी जिंदगी में, मेरी जिंदगी में. अब्दुल, सॉरी आई एम आंसरिंग ऑन अब्दुल्स बिहाफ. तो बट द थिंग इज हर किसी का मोटिवेशन, आप अगर मर्चेंट नेवी ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो उसका एक बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन फैक्टर ये होना चाहिए. अगर ये नहीं है देन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव देयर, ट्रस्ट मी. ये जब पहली सैलरी आएगी, दूसरी आएगी, एंड ये कैडेटशिप की सैलरी इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेंड योर नीड्स. नो, इट इज, ये अब्दुल अभी सेकंड ऑफिसर बनेगा, थर्ड ऑफिसर बनेगा. नो, it's when you start becoming a chief officer, that's where you see suddenly there is a increment in your salary, suddenly you see your bank balance building up, unless until you don't make stupid decisions in life. So tab tak to sale karo yaar, jai mata di, aage badho. So Sarthak has got a question. Yes Sarthak, for Abdul.
Yes sir, so my question is, sir, you have sailed on bulk carriers as well as tankers, so how is the work different from bulk carriers and tankers?
Good question.
So when you become an officer, you have two works. One is the cargo work and one is the bridge watch keeping. So bridge watch keeping is same on all ships, but the main difference is maybe the equipment is of some other company, on bridge it may happen, like we are using ecdis maybe of JRC Funro. So the company may differ, and bridge पर there is no difference in the work. You have to do same, you have to do bridge watchkeeping, you have to safely navigate your ship. तो ब्रिज का काम सेम रहता है. द डिफरेंस इज इन द कार्गो ऑपरेशंस मेंटेनेंस ऑफ लाइक कार्गो इक्विपमेंट्स. तो जो मेंटेनेंस का काम होता है कार्गो का, और जो कार्गो वर्क हम करते हैं जो लोडिंग डिस्चार्जिंग होता है, दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट. सो मेन डिफरेंस काम का आता है हमारा कार्गो वर्क पे. लाइक टैंकर, like on my first ship what used to happen, we will go on the port, then we used to open our hatch covers, then from the ashore they will come, they will put their grabs, वो अपना सामान डालेंगे निकालेंगे. चीफ ऑफिसर they only have to make the plan and monitor what is happening. तो वो शोर गाइज है, वो आएंगे अपने आप डालेंगे अपने आप निकालेंगे, वो सब कुछ करके जाएंगे. तो बट टैंकर में क्या होता है, लाइक चीफ ऑफिसर हैव टू चीफ ऑफिसर को काफी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. चीफ ऑफिसर नहीं, सभी ड्यूटी ऑफिसर्स को काफी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि वी आर रनिंग द वी आर डिस्चार्जिंग द ऑयल. सो उसके लिए क्या होता है, देयर आर वेरियस बहुत चीजें होती है जो हमें एक टाइम पे देखनी पड़ती है. लाइक कितना ऊपर कितना प्रेशर है, नीचे कितना प्रेशर है, मैनिफोल्ड पे कितना प्रेशर है, और कौन सा वेल्व खुला है कौन सा वेल्व बंद है. सो यू आर मोर इन्वॉल्व इन द कार्गो ऑपरेशंस इन टैंकर. So I like the tanker because the involvement is more, risk is little bit more from the bulk carriers, because if there is some problem there may be pollution or something, like you may fail your pump or something. Like मैं negative नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
अरे बताओ, ये चीज
ये
बताना
कि-
जरूरी है, बिल्कुल सही बता रहे हो.
ये है कि कार्गो वर्क इस में मेन डिफरेंस है. क्या होता है, लाइक हम लोडिंग या डिस्चार्जिंग कर रहे हैं तो कंटिन्यूअस हमारा साउंडिंग चलता रहता है, कंटिन्यूअस हम अलेजिंग लेते रहते हैं, चेक करते रहते हैं कितना कार्गो बचा है कितना बचा है. फिर बस मेन डिफरेंस है कार्गो का. सो देयर इज नो, आई थिंक देयर इज नो अदर डिफरेंस.
But guys, this cargo, sorry Abdul, please continue.
No,
नहीं
sir, please
continue.
continue.
But guys, this cargo work is the most important part, and you see the difference lies a lot. As a bulk carrier captain or a chief engineer, you get approximately say $10,000 in a good company. But similarly, when you're on a tanker, you can go up to $14,000. So same captain rank, there's a difference of $4,000 a month. Say that is around 2.8 lakh rupees, around 3 lakhs per month. So that's a huge difference, right? And जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो, oil, a small leakage can cause a huge oil pollution, guys. So your credibility, your training comes to the extreme, and that's why I love those challenges, and that's why I love working on tankers. It was hectic out there this time when I went on tankers. I was sailing on tankers after a gap of 4 years. It was like, it was good challenge. Maza aaya. Now Abhay Pundir has got a question. For whom, Abhay? Abhay, yes. Okay, my sleeping giant Pranshu, who's your question? What's your question and for whom?
So first of all, I'm sorry for what I did, and second of all, my question is from Abdul sir, and all the sailors who are present here. Sir, did you face any emergency on board ship, like from emergency from home? And if you face it, so please could you tell how did you handle it?
When I was on my second ship, so I lost my grandfather. We live in a we are a मतलब हम सब एक ही साथ रहते हैं.
Joint family.
So
We're in a
I
joint
lost-
family. We live in a
हाँ,
joint family.
we have a joint family. So we all live together. Then I lost my grandfather. Then I came to know after my family didn't told me for one day. Next day they told me. So I talked to my second mate, third mate. I told to them like this happened. So उन्होंने मतलब they will talk to you, they will sympathize you, then everything happens. And when I was on my last ship, my father was COVID positive and he was hospitalized, but my father didn't told me. After 1 month when he was okay, he was on his feet, then he told me. So I was like Praneeth sir said, if your family supports you ke bole ki bacha ghar aa ja, so that's not the good thing. So my father was COVID positive. He went to hospital. He got admitted. Then after 1 month he was okay. Then he came back. Then he told me then he didn't told me he had COVID. He just told me that I had some health issues. When I came home, he told me I had COVID and now everything is okay.
Guys,
So
your
mainly-
family is your biggest support. Your family is your biggest support.
Yes.
Okay, now Amrinder sir. Yes, sir. You have a question for whom, sir? Sir, audio.
Yes, sir. I have a question for Abdul. Hello, Abdul. Hi.
Good
I hope you're doing.
sir.
Abdul,
Very
if you
good
don't
afternoon.
know, Amrinder sir has just joined us. Maybe it's been around. Kitna time ho gaya, Amrinder sir? 6 months or?
So 6 months.
Amrinder
Around
sir
6
has
months. Sir.
joined us as a center head at JMD Academy. So abhi, when me and Praveen sir are busy sailing, he's the one who's handling the academy. So kabhi bhi tum jaate ho academy, so you might meet him. So you can just matlab abhi se tum log aap log aapas mein mil loge, it will be great, because we always want our ex-students to keep coming to our academy and helping us out.
And I'm sure, sir, he'll be a great help. And although I've seen his videos and pictures, sir, when we were making some stories for YouTube, I've seen his personality there as well. So Abdul, anyway, congratulations that you have completed your, this 3 shifts you have completed as of now. So I think the question I have for you, this might help the other candidates sitting here. Abdul, my question is that, has it ever happened that you did not agree with your senior's statement or decision? If it has happened there, like maybe you did not agree or you did not find that it was a great decision of your senior, so how did you handle over there, or what was your approach, or what is usually an approach in such cases? That's what I would like to know from you.
Yes, sir. Like sometime what used to happen, like I am doing something, then my chief officer will come, then he will tell me do like this. Like one basic job, stenciling, like I'm doing stenciling. So one day I was doing stenciling. I know how to do stencil. Then my chief officer came, you don't know, I will tell you, do this. So he did, then everything was messed up there. So then I again painted that, again stencil that. Then in the evening, whatever he want to do, I let him do, because he has more experience. Like maybe he was doing like that way. But when the evening I go on bridge, then I talk to him like, sir, it's not like this, it's like this. And like we are doing some drills, some training, or like some maintenance job we are doing. So there are some mistakes, everyone do mistakes, so there may be some flawed procedure or something like that. So I didn't used to speak up on his face, like I am doing some work and he will come to me and then say me aise nahi aise karo. So I didn't used to refuse, like in a polite way I will say okay, I will do. Then I used to think over that, yeah, like sahi hai ya nahi hai. So I used to do that job. But later on when we meet, if I tell him that he was wrong, that that procedure is wrong, we don't do like this, we have to do like this. So he used to agree with me. Then he asked me that why, मतलब वो पूछते थे क्यों ये क्यों better है, वो क्यों better है. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. You can't speak against your seniors. Like on bridge, we were having one day bridge team meeting. So there was one training also. So captain gave me some topic, so I have to speak on that topic. So I was speaking. Then we had one हमारा confusion था कि ECDIS and we have a new CTAB in Angliston. So I was insisting that why don't we use CTAB, this that. I was totally like, मुझे पूरा confidence था कि use कर सकते हैं. So मैं बोल रहा था but captain also didn't, मतलब उन्होंने ऐसे डांटा नहीं मुझे कि तुम रॉन्ग हो, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता, ये है वो है. तो वो भी he used to tell me politely कि ऐसे नहीं होता है, ऐसे होता है. There are some technicality also to every job. So वही है, like if someone tells you that do it like this, तो आप मुंह पे तो ऐसे you will not say कि ऐसे, मतलब in a polite way you can say, but you just have to first assess the risk, if the risk is increasing or decreasing by doing that.
See,
तो
मैं अब्दुल को ऐड करता हूँ. See, it is very very important first of all to understand the person whom you are telling. There can be different kinds of people on board ship. There can be an egoistic person who is not ready to hear. He wants highway or my way. Then there is no point arguing with that person, especially if you are a cadet. There is no point. If he says do it this way, okay, fine. Do it that way itself and end the story there and then. Till the time there is some bigger, major mishap is going to happen, a major accident is going to happen. Say if there is an egoistic person he's taking a ship to a collision thing, that there can be millions of dollars being lost because of that thing. Then of course you have to stop that guy. You have to shake him up. Stop. But otherwise, if it's a small thing like say stenciling, and if he said no, do this way, and he said no, sir, I have learned this way. This is the right way. I'm not going to that. Then it's bad. So
It's going to spoil.
It's going to spoil the relationship. And then tomorrow, if there's going to be a major thing, he's not going to listen to you. So the first thing is you need to know the kind of person. There are people who listen to you. They don't take it on their ego thing, and they teach you politely. Like Abdul has given some examples. Like suppose if I am telling Abdul something, okay, Abdul, go and do this in front of 10 people, and Abdul, no, sir, this is not right. Oh God, inside I'm going to be damn angry. How the hell this cadet is telling me? See, people do not hate criticism till the time it is affecting their self-esteem in front of 10 people. So you tell me I am wrong, but don't tell me in front of 10 people, because I am the chief officer or the captain of the ship. I have some respect. And then go with some evidence also. कि ऐसा नहीं सर, मैं तो ऐसा कह रहा था, ऐसा होता है क्योंकि सर लास्ट शिप पे मेरे चीफ ऑफिसर ने मुझे ऐसा बताया था. नो, it does not work that way. You can't say, sir, last ship पे मैंने किसी को ऐसे करता देखा था. Oh, don't do that. If I am your chief officer, I'll screw you up. So give me some logic. Read a manual. Show me it is written over here. Sir, see it is written over here. And that is why I'm telling you. Say it's a live raft launching procedure or a live boat launching. Sir, this is wrong somewhere. I have read it in a book. Sir, this is the evidence. Or show me some circular by DG Shipping or by port state controllers, whatsoever it is. But you have to give me evidence. Otherwise, if there are people who are ready to listen, you can tell them politely some way or the other, but not at their faces immediately there and then. Don't do that, please. Right, Abdul?
Right.
Anything you want to add? Please let me know.
This was very much required, because at the time of interviews, we have to just, convince them, and we have to come up with a different approach. But in real scenarios, things are different. I think these students really needed to understand this. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Abdul, as you have given us an idea that what to do. Guys, other people like batch 1, batch 2, understand from this. In interview, whatever we have done, you can just somehow convince or you can give a good idea to the HR over there with your answers, but whatever you have prepared. But in real life, whatever Praneeth sir and Abdul has explained you right now, as of now, keep that in mind, that how you need to handle it.
Okay,
so
great.
Because sir, we were coming to this question, so I thought that it will be a right time to ask.
Great,
and sir,
great,
I
great.
would also like to speak to Manan as well for a
Sir,
moment, sir.
सर प्लीज कीजिए सर, क्योंकि मनन काफी देर से चुप बैठा है. मैं चाहता हूं कि क्वेश्चंस मनन की तरफ डाइवर्ट कीजिए, because it's more than half an hour and we want to end up this session soon, because these questions are never going to end.
Right.
Ji.
Exactly, sir. Although Abdul, I will also be calling you after a while. I was about to call you today anyway. I'm glad that I got a chance to speak to you now. Again for the Manan as well. I will definitely be bothering you guys very soon, and maybe today itself. So, but I'm glad to talk to you here. So Manan, I'm not able to see you. Manan, say something. Yeah.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Manan. Very good afternoon. And Manan, first of all, really, I'm again, like, as we all have given you a big round of applause, so you truly deserve it. I don't have any question for you, Manan. I really would like to appreciate what you're doing. And in case if you're in Dehradun, just let us know, because usually on Sundays we are doing the same. So let us know if I can be any help, or if I could give anything from my end to do it. That was the only thing I wanted to say, Manan. Just keep it up, keep going. Yeah, whenever you're in Dehradun or somewhere else, whenever you need us, we're always there. Just wanted to give you blessings for that as well. So now other people, I would like if you have any questions, you may ask to Manan as well, guys.
Now, guys, first of all, Manan, do you have any question for Abdul? First of all, Manan, you have any question for Abdul? Do you have any question?
For now, sir, actually, I'm not prepared.
No problem. कुछ भी रहेगा वो GMD के WhatsApp group में डाल देना. At Abdul sir को करते हुए, Abdul is going to answer that. Okay.
In the session, I was getting calls ना, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा disturbance हो गया.
No problems, beta. No problems. I understand. अच्छा, anyone has got any call? Any Ishika? Any question for Manan sir?
Yes sir.
Okay, please ask.
तो नहीं कि लेकिन कॉलेज वगैरह के आपका वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट के साथ?
Okay, Manan, two things. I will put it very short. You have to tell us about your experience with fleet management. That is, क्या questions पूछे गए थे? How did your interview go? And also about ARI Daily, please.
Yeah, sir. तो सबसे पहले सर मैंने जब ARI का फॉर्म भरा, आई हैव फिल्ड अप द फॉर्म, एंड उसके बाद ARI का एग्जाम हुआ था. डेट इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल सर, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग डेट इज सिंपल. ठीक है, कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन 9th and 10th ऑफ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री, एंड उनका एक शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू होता है. तो वो शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू भी आप सिर्फ बेसिक, अगर इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ कंपनी देन यू कैन इजीली क्लियर दैट इंटरव्यू. एंड फिर उसके बाद वहाँ जैसे कंपनी विजिट्स करती है ARI कॉलेज में, then you will get a call from college that this company is coming, this company is coming, like Fleet and Synergy, Xmark, XT Shipping. There are a lot of companies. So I got a call from Fleet Management. Then sir, मैं सबसे पहला जब मेरा एग्जाम हुआ था फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट का, वो ARI कॉलेज में ही हुआ था, एंड that is also based on 11th and 12th. एंड जैसे सर आपने एकेडमी में हमें जो भी मटेरियल प्रोवाइड किया था, ऑलमोस्ट उसी में से है, बट सर डेडिकेशन के साथ वो करना पड़ेगा, कंप्लीट तो हो जाएगा, वो इजीली क्लियर हो जाता है एग्जाम तो. देन सर एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था जब व्हेन आई हैव क्लियर्ड माय एग्जाम फॉर फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट. इंटरव्यू में सर 4 कैप्टन्स थे, देयर वर 4 कैप्टन्स फॉर सेकंड माय इंटरव्यू. एंड उन्होंने सर उन्होंने सबसे पहले मेरी सिटी पूछी, एंड दे वर आस्क्ड अबाउट माय सिटी देहरादून, एंड वहाँ की टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस के बारे में. देयर वर टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, a lot of technical questions. They've given me some questions of height and distance that
Trigonometry.
class 10th and 11th maths, and वो भी solve करने के लिए दिए. Then उसके बाद उन्होंने सब एक्चुअली एक शायद ब्राह्मण कैप्टन थे. Then he asked me about महाभारत, रामायण, and I was not prepared for that. तो उन्होंने randomly question पूछ लिए थे, एंड मैं बिल्कुल उस टाइम पे ब्लैंक हो गया था. बट जो मेरे को आता था, जो ट्रूली मेरे को आता था, वो मैंने सब कुछ दिया विद कॉन्फिडेंस. मेन है वहाँ पे कॉन्फिडेंस. टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस में सर केमिस्ट्री, उन्होंने सबसे पहले एक अच्छा हुआ कि लाइक उन्होंने मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट पूछा, देन वो मैंने केमिस्ट्री, बिकॉज अगर फिजिक्स में जो क्वेश्चन वो लोग पुट अप करेंगे, वो सारे के सारे मतलब शायद शिप से रिलेटेड होंगे, एंड मे बी जो अभी अपीयर कर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू के लिए वो इतना ज्यादा वेल प्रिपेयर्ड ना हो. देन मेरा केमिस्ट्री था फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, तो मैंने केमिस्ट्री ही बोला. एंड केमिस्ट्री में उन्होंने 11th and 12th का बेसिक पूछा था, लाइक इफ यू पुट मतलब व्हाट विल यू प्रेफर टू पुट एसिड इन वाटर और वाटर इन एसिड, एंड गिव सम रीजंस. एंड वो केमिकल रिएक्शंस जो थी, लाइक जिसमें CO2 की कैसे फॉर्मेशन होती है, एंड दोज आर द क्वेश्चंस. तो एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था सर, फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट के साथ भी अच्छी है, एज इट्स अ गुड कंपनी. ठीक है, बट अप डाउन सब कंपनीज के साथ चलता रहता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ओके मनन, एक चीज मैं जानता हूँ, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एट ARI दिल्ली?
ARI दिल्ली सर, ARI दिल्ली सर एजुकेशन बेस्ट, बहुत अच्छी एजुकेशन है. हाँ मतलब बेस्ट तो नहीं कह सकते, हाँ. बाकी सारे कॉलेज से मेरे को ऐसा जैसे जो फीडबैक मिला है मेरे को, मैंने उसके साथ, बट मेरे को वहाँ का जो एजुकेशन है वो अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, वहाँ की टीचर्स, वहाँ की जो फैकल्टी है, डेट इज ऑल्सो गुड. और वहाँ का बस एकोमोडेशन थोड़ा सा इशू है, बाकी सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था वहाँ पे.
अच्छा, फीस कितनी थी तुम्हारे टाइम पे ARI दिल्ली की?
सर फीस थी 545 प्लस IMU फीस, ग्रेजुएशन फीस.
तो भैया फीस भी तो कम है, चाहे माता दी, तो थोड़ा बहुत कॉम्पेंसेट तो करना पड़ेगा. कोई मुझे बोले कि भैया 2-2.5 लाख रुपए साल के बच रहे हैं, कम में ले रहे हो, हम तो वैसे छोटे से कमरे में रहने के लिए तैयार बैठे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बचा दो पैसे. भाई अगर तरीके से देखा जाए,
पूरे दिन में इतना थक जाते हैं कि जब वापस एकोमोडेशन में आते हैं, फिर एकोमोडेशन नहीं दिखता, कुछ नहीं दिखता, बेड दिखता है सबसे पहले.
आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर माय कॉलेज डेज. अभी मैं जब कैसे कभी कैलकाटा जाता हूँ तो हमें लगता है यार इतनी गर्मी है, AC चाहिए, टेम्परेचर 48 जा रहा है, पूरा पसीने पसीने हैं. एंड आई रिमेम्बर जब हम कॉलेज में, तो उसी गर्मी के अंदर हम लोग मार्च पास किया करते थे, और पंखे चल रहे हैं, उसी में हम लोग सो रहे हैं, और नींद भी आ रही है गजब तरीके से. तो जब नींद आती है तो सब चीज साइड हो जाती है. ये अब अब्दुल बहुत अच्छे से बता पाएगा, जो वो 12 to 4 में जो आराम मिलता था, क्यों पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी, इसलिए क्योंकि गजब नींद आती थी. राइट अब्दुल?
यस सर, राइट.
ओके, अभी अमरिंदर सर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है? सर आपका हाथ ये रेस है या इट्स ओके?
हैंड रेस सर, वैसे मतलब, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में भी आ गया मनन से पूछने के बाद, लाइक एज ARI का, मनन यू वर सेइंग कि वहां पे एक बेसिक एग्जाम और एक इंटरव्यू होता है बिफोर दे सेंड दिस, क्या कहते हैं, कंपनीज के इंटरव्यू से पहले, राइट? और अभी इस लाइक डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया मनन, लाइक कि कौन सी कंपनीज इस ईयर वहां पे अभी अप्रोच कर रही हैं? एनी आइडिया फ्रॉम योर एंड?
सर फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट एंड सिनर्जी तो फिक्स है, वो तो सर उनकी मतलब वो आएंगी ही आएंगी. and they will surely come. Fleet management, XT shipping, synergy, and there will be, I think Tom will also come this time.
Okay.
Because Tom will also come, and see, Tom and sir, बाकी sir actually मेरे को पूछना पड़ेगा उनसे.
No
and
problem.
I have
no
a contact. Then I'll ask them and I will let you know. I'll
Please
just directly
help.
call you up.
Please help Amrinder sir with those contacts as well, so that यार हम भी थोड़ी guidance मिल जाए हमें. ठीक है, no problems. ठीक है.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Now just 2 questions and we have to end the session, guys. Please, 2 questions. तो who's okay? Ishika is the one. वैष्णवी बेटा तुम्हारा कोई question नहीं है? Vaishnavi, where are you, beta? Vaishnavi? Ishika is always
Sir,
having
net is
question. Oh God, she has got all the time she's having network issues. Okay, Vansh, please go ahead with your question.
Sir, I have question that how many seats does fleet management give to students? मतलब, how many students they take from the college?
It's depend. It's मतलब ये सब change होता रहता है and it's not fixed. Like जब जनवरी फेब जो बैच होता है उसके अंदर they will मतलब maximum बच्चे वो ARI से ही लेती है. Fleet.
तुम्हारे टाइम पे कितना था मनन? You can just share that. You can please share that.
41.
नहीं,
There were 41 students.
But नहीं तो इसमें फ्लीट में कितने थे उसमें से स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय फ्लीट?
नहीं, टोटल स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय फ्लीट जो थे वो 41 थे जो ARI से थे.
ओह अच्छा, 41 इन फ्लीट ओनली. फ्लीट से फ्लीट में फ्लीट के थे.
There are lot of companies sir, तो टोटल स्टूडेंट जो हमारे बैच के थे वो 110 थे.
ओके,
110.
अच्छा जी, दिस इज लाइक अ ह्यूज नंबर. अनडाउटेडली ये आने वाले टाइम में वेटिंग पीरियड को अफेक्ट डालेगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील. दिस इज अ ह्यूज नंबर. एनीवेज,
नाउ वी विल नॉट
मनन बस ठीक है, अभी इतना ही. ठीक है. ओके, इशिका कम इन बेटा. व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन?
यस अब्दुल भैया से सर.
अब्दुल बेटा आ जाओ आप.
भैया.
हाँ अब्दुल बोलो.
Yes, please go ahead.
आपने 3 शिप करी है, कभी आपकी शिप पे कोई लड़की थी?
ये भी एक क्वेश्चन
No,
है.
no, not on my ship, but when I was on my first ship, my batchmate, मतलब मेरी batchmate का और मेरा ship was on same berth. So I talked to her, and her experience was also good. She was saying that like it's not the difference between a boy cadet or girl cadet. They all are treated the same way. So like the people on board, they are sensible people. Okay. So like no one is like they are going to cause any harm to someone, or like मतलब they are not mad or something. So they are well, मतलब उन्हें पता है, they know
Safety
if they
wise,
do some action.
safety wise you should not be concerned. हाँ, safety wise should not be a concern. Don't worry. If you are joining a good shipping company, even also मैंने कभी कोई ऐसे केसेस सुने नहीं है बेटा, आज तक तो नहीं सुना. To be very honest, don't worry.
नहीं, मेरे को
And
एक्सपीरियंस
work wise also,
तो कोई इशू नहीं है.
also no one will
Ishika beta, don't worry. I am planning a Instagram live session and I'll try to get you on that as well. तो मैं किसी एक्सपीरियंस लेडी कैडेट जो कि सेलिंग करे उनको बुलाना चाहूंगा, उनसे तुम्हारी बात करवाता हूँ. ठीक है, आई ट्राई टू प्लान समथिंग आउट. डोंट वरी. ओके,
थैंक यू.
तो इंस्टाग्राम पे रखते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, प्रांशु का क्वेश्चन. अच्छा गाइस, दिस विल बी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे एंड देन आई विल रैप इट अप. ओके प्रांशु, गो अहेड. प्रांशु ऑडियो, आवाज नहीं आ रही. गाइस प्लीज अपने सारे वीडियोस ऑन करो. ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, आई वांट टू सी योर वीडियोस ऑन. प्रांशु आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. साकिब, अनुराग, ओम, निशान, जतिन, वैष्णवी, एवरीवन. यस, हाँ प्रांशु. यस प्रांशु बोलो बेटा. ऑडियो नहीं चल रहा तेरा. वैष्णवी, एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव योर. मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही. गाइस, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi, do you have a question for anyone?
Yes sir, she have question. I have the same question and it's
Yes, Vaishnavi, बोलो
Like-
बेटा.
Yes, sir. I had the same question, that is it safe for girls?
Any day, beta, any day. Don't worry, you're working in a civilized crowd out there. People know the repercussions, and there is nothing to worry as of now. To be very honest, don't worry. It is always going to be good. And कहते हैं ना बेटा, हमारे हाथ में सबसे ज़्यादा रहता है कि how people behave with us and how they respect it is more in our hands than the other person's hand. It is always like that. Always remember that.
Sir, I'll just directly connect these girls with the girl cadet. She is my friend. She's in Synergy.
And she's
currently she's sailing on a tanker. Yeah.
अरे great, that will be great. अगर मनन that you will do, I'll really be very happy यार. Please ऐसा करो यार.
Surely, sure, sir. I'll just directly connect.
So Vaishnavi, that's a good news, and Nishika, that's a good news for you. Manan is going to help us as a family so that you can be connected to a lady cadet who's sailing on tankers. You'll get a very
Don't
good
worry
idea.
about the safety. Girls are safe on board. If you are in a good company, then you are safe.
That's it. Don't worry. So guys, with this, I would love. Okay, guys, all I want to say is thank you,
Sir.
Manan. हाँ जी. Okay, guys.
सर सॉरी सर नेट प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, पूछ लूं?
हाँ, पूछ.
अब्दुल सर से.
हाँ, पूछ.
सर देयर आर मेनी रूमर्स लाइक कि ऑन बोर्ड शिप पे डेक कैडेट को लगातार 18 घंटे काम करना पड़ता है, लाइक फॉर एंग्लो ईस्टर्न. तो सर आर दीज रूमर्स ट्रू, या फिर सही, या फिर काम ऐसा नहीं होता, मतलब ब्रेक भी मिलता है बीच में?
मतलब डायरेक्टली बोलूँ तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. लाइक तुमसे कोई भी 18 घंटे काम नहीं कराएगा. बट लाइक मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. आई हैव वर्क फॉर 18 आवर्स. लाइक आई एम जस्ट ओवर एग्जैजरेटिंग. सो मतलब मैं कुछ ज्यादा करके बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने 18 घंटे काम किया है. बट उसमें क्या होता है, लाइक यू आर ऑन अ पोर्ट, you arrive at a port, then you have certain job to do which only you have to do, no one else will do. Okay, तो क्या होता है, चीफ ऑफिसर विल टेल यू बेटा गो, यू टेक योर रेस्ट. देन तो बोलेंगे कि तुम जाओ, तुम थोड़ा रेस्ट करो, फिर आना थोड़ी देर में. तो जैसे उन्होंने 1 घंटे का रेस्ट दिया, इट्स सम इम्पोर्टेंट जॉब, ही कॉल यू अगेन. ओके, देन ही विल लाइक मे बी ऐसे ब्रेक ले लेके तुम्हारा 18 घंटे हो गया मानो, तो तुमसे काम करा दिया. बट उसके बाद क्या होता है, he will give you rest also. Maybe next day he will give you full off. He will tell you not to come on deck or do anything for next day. So sometimes there are some situation in which you have to work. Like कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं कराएगा. There are some, वही है main, like you go on a port, then you have a, like you are doing some STS, ship to ship operation. तो पहले STS करने में ही अपने को काफी टाइम लग जाता है. फिर देन यू हैव टू कनेक्ट द होसेस, देन साउंडिंग, देन यू जस्ट हैव टू असिस्ट द चीफ ऑफिसर. ओके, सो चीफ ऑफिसर विल टेल यू गो विद द पंप मैन, डू दिस डू दैट. तो उसमें और इतना पंप स्टार्ट होगा, पंप रोलिंग पे डालते हैं, और मतलब पूरा कार्गो ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट होता है. उसमें अराउंड, इफ एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग स्लो, 10 घंटा लग जाता है. मतलब जहाज लगाने पे, रोलिंग में, मतलब स्टार्ट करने में 10 घंटा हो जाता है कभी कभी, मतलब रेयर केसेस. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू वर्क. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई गधा मजदूरी ऐसे करवा रहा है आपसे. ही विल गिव यू कंपनसेटरी रेस्ट. लाइक ऐसा तो लाइक प्रणीत सर है, ही मे हैव डन, आई थिंक दे डू इंजन डिकार्बिंग, दे डू इंजन डिकार्बिंग. तो उसमें दे हैव टू वर्क, बट दे गिव कंपनसेटरी रेस्ट. तो प्रणीत सर को भी पता है, ही इज अ चीफ इंजीनियर, ही इज मैनेजिंग हिज 4th इंजीनियर, 3rd इंजीनियर. तो अगर किसी से एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कराते हैं तो दे गिव रेस्ट आल्सो, सो नो नीड टू वरी.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये अब्दुल से यहाँ पे, जैसे रूमर्स कह रहा है प्रांशु, क्या ऐसा होता था कि तुमसे 18 घंटे काम कराया जा रहा है डेली, ऐसे बोलता, चलो माना, बट चीफ ऑफिसर सो रहा है कैबिन में जाके, ऐसा कभी होता था? या चीफ ऑफिसर भी तुम्हारे साथ स्लॉक कर रहा होता था अगर कभी तुम्हें 18 घंटे काम करना पड़ रहा है? लेट्स टेक इट एज अ कोट. Abdul, your network is gone. Abdul, okay, Abdul is gone. Guys, एक चीज मैं तुम सबसे कहना चाहूंगा, प्लीज ये 18 घंटे, 14 घंटे, 12 घंटे के टाइम से, हाँ, Abdul has come back. Abdul, yes, please go ahead.
Sorry sir,
I'll put my question again. Abdul, I'll put my question again. Has it ever happened कि तुम्हें 18 घंटे तुम्हारा चीफ ऑफिसर लगातार काम करा रहा है, लेकिन खुद जाके कैबिन में सो गया, भाई वो करेगा, मैं जा रहा हूँ, ऐसा कभी होता था?
नहीं सर, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है. लाइक मान लो, लाइक मतलब वो मुझे ऐसे काम तो नहीं देते थे, इतना चीफ ऑफिसर काम करते थे इतना मैं काम करता था, कभी कभी उनसे कम काम भी करता था। तो समटाइम्स ही यूज्ड टू गिव मी टॉन्ट के कैडेट मुझसे ज्यादा रेस्ट करता है ऐसे ऐसे करके। तो कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता था, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू टेक मोर रेस्ट एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू वर्क मोर। तो आई हैव गॉट सच चीफ ऑफिसर्स आल्सो।
अच्छा, अब एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ अब्दुल, आई एम सॉरी आई एम स्टॉपिंग बिकॉज वी हैव टू रैप इट अप, आई एम सो सॉरी, बट अब्दुल नाउ सपोज यू हैव वर्कड फॉर 16 hours some day or 18 hours, will it go, is it going to help you someday when you become a chief officer कि तुमने कभी इतना काम किया तो तुम्हें पता है मैं कि मेरी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है, मैं कैसा काम करता हूँ, और how important it is, if you have experience you know how to react with things. Do you agree with this part?
Yes sir, like if you are working for 16 or 18 hours, so आपको पता रहता है कि आपका क्रू कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, आप कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हो, कौन कैसे अफेक्ट हो रहा है, लाइक एवरी पर्सन गेट डिफरेंटली हिट बाय दैट पीरियड। सो जैसे क्रू होता है, सो दे विल मतलब वो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा वो ले लेते हैं, मतलब इफ यू टेल देम टू वर्क लिटिल बिट मोर, सो दे विल से लाइक ओवर टाइम बढ़ाओ, हमें रेस्ट दो, 1-2 दिन की छुट्टी दो, ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं। एंड देयर मे बी सम like officer side or engine side, they will say like okay so we will, like they know they will get rest after that। तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि मतलब पर्सन टू पर्सन डिपेंड करता है, देन यू विल कम टू नो कि इस आदमी को ऐसा लगता है, इसको ऐसा लगता है, इट मे बी रैंक वाइज आल्सो। तो आपको पता है कि कैडेट का लिमिटेशन क्या है, कि आपको अपना पता होता है, लाइक आई वाज इन दैट रैंक तो मुझे इतना ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मिला था। तो आपको पता होता है किसको कितना मतलब खींचना है, और मतलब किससे कितना मतलब फॉर मैक्सिमम आउटपुट, लाइक देयर मे बी सम इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन, so you need the maximum output from the people, so you have to utilize everyone। तो उसी के लिए you learn the management from this level only।
Okay guys,
as a cadet,
sorry यार
हाँ,
अब्दुल, थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ जल्दी जल्दी, आई एम सो सॉरी यार, बट व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज गाइस प्लीज रैपिंग इट अप कि व्हाट यू ट्रेन टुडे। अगर अब्दुल ने आज 18 घंटे काम किया है तो उसे पता है कि 18 घंटे काम कैसे किया जाता है। आई रिमेंबर वंस आई वाज डूइंग engine decar, it took us 18 hours। There has been time when I've been awake in engine room for 24 hours। There have been time when I've been awake for 36 hours as well। The ship was in Singapore, kabhi bunkering, kabhi lube oil bunkering, kabhi ye, kabhi wo। As a second engineer, I could not sleep because it was my time period as a junior engineer which helped me do better second engineer। Most importantly, as a deck cadet, what I felt as an engine cadet, what I felt, I knew ki how my cadet will be feeling right now or how these crew members are feeling right now, so I could take better care of them। A leader means a better involvement, you need to take care of people, and you can only do that when you understand them। You don't have to sympathize with them, you have to empathize with them कि नहीं यार इसकी जगह पे मैं रहता तो मैं कैसा फील करता। and that can only happen if today you slog। so if you are worrying thinking अरे 18 घंटे काम 20 घंटे काम, तो भाई मत जाओ जहाज पे। I'm telling you right here right now you are making the wrong choice। तुम कंपनी का नाम भी खराब करोगे और साथ में JMDI Academy का नाम भी खराब करोगे, because not even once in any of our sessions we have ever told anyone that you should be afraid of work। We should always say that you should be proud of working, how many hours you are working out there, and that is how it should be, whether they are rumors or it's true। I want each and every cadet from out here, whosoever is passing out from JMDI Academy, should be proud out there with this training out here and say कि सर आप मेरे से 18 घंटे काम, सर 22 घंटे काम कराइए, मैं खुशी खुशी काम करूंगा। क्योंकि we know very well, because Praneeth Mehta sir as mentor has told us that it is not because of hard work that we die, but it is because of mental stress that we die on board ship, or we get depressed on board ship। so is it right guys? Is it right Abdul? Is it right Manan?
yes sir, you are correct।
So guys, this is all I want to say, and with this thing I would love to end this session saying thank you very much Abdul, thank you Manan, thanks a lot for being here on this setup out here, helping our students, the future JMDI family out here, to perform better and do great in the coming period। Thank you very much guys। Jai Mata Di।